Hi, Tony Palmer here from Enterprise Strategy Group. We recently evaluated HPE Nimble Storage dHCI. For the next couple of minutes, I'll be talking about our findings. ESG research reveals that organizations are embracing both converged and hyperconverged infrastructure technologies for complementary reasons. Converged offers flexibility of configuration for complex workloads, while hyperconverged offers simplicity of deployment and management. ESG performed testing of HPE Nimble Storage dHCI platform to examine the simplicity of deployment and management of the platform and validate the disaggregated scalability, performance, and AI-driven automation in the context of consolidating business-critical apps and workloads. HPE Nimble Storage dHCI is a platform designed to deliver the flexibility of converged infrastructure with the simplicity of HCI to support workloads with unpredictable growth. Resources, specifically compute in the form of HPE ProLiant and storage in the form of HPE Nimble Storage, are disaggregated and scale independently, while hyperconverged control drives software-defined automation. Powered by HPE Infosight, Nimble Storage dHCI is architected to provide intelligence and automated administration to predict and prevent disruption and self-optimize the entire virtualization stack. HPE's ambitious goal is to give VM admins the agility they need to keep up with the demands of the enterprise. We walked through the process a customer would use to deploy HPE Nimble Storage dHCI. Setup, which required only basic host and networking information about the environment, was complete, and HPE Nimble Storage dHCI was ready to begin servicing workloads in less than 12 minutes after our first keystroke. Next, we tested the granular expandability of the platform by adding a server to the VMware cluster using the HPE Nimble Storage dHCI vSphere plugin. We selected a server, entered its IP address ranges, and passwords. The server was ready with a total of 6 clicks and in less than 3 minutes. HPE Infosight leverages cloud-based machine learning and provides global insights that reveal how the server, storage, and networking components of HPE Nimble Storage dHCI interact, identifying and automating prediction and resolution of issues. HPE Infosight Cross-Stack shows the root causes and recommends courses of action. The tree map illustrates VMs in a specific vCenter that are experiencing latency. The size of each block shows the amount of I/O for each machine. The intensity of color indicates the severity of the latency it's experiencing. The spread of color indicates how widespread the issue is, based on possible causes, whether host, network, or storage. Another powerful visualization included in HPE Infosight is the SAN key. Here, we viewed the latency issue via the relationship between storage arrays, data stores, and hosts, from left to right. The width of the horizontal lines correlated to the amount of I/O traffic, while the colors of the arrays, data stores, and hosts represented the severity of the latency issues. It's old news that data centers have become too complex and too expensive. Technological demands from the business have increased over the years, and organizations have invested in specialized technologies that perform a single function, and then they've integrated them all into an existing infrastructure, which adds layers of complexity. HPE Nimble Storage dHCI is efficient, reliable, and highly scalable, while maintaining the simplicity of the hyperconverged model. ESG deployed a new HPE Nimble Storage dHCI cluster with vSphere in less than 12 minutes total, and scaled compute resources by adding a server non-disruptively in less than 3 minutes. HPE Infosight identified issues and their root causes regardless of their place in the infrastructure, whether from the server, storage, network, or VM, while pinpointing other possible affected areas. Thank you very much for your time. If you'd like to learn more, please download the report.